Hey guys, it's Gravel Guru. I'm back to open up the 11-12 Panini Contenders box. In my previous video, I opened up the 11-12 Pinnacle and I hit some really nice mojo. So please go check that out. But in this video, I'm going to break this 11-12 Panini Contenders. So let's get breaking. So you're guaranteed at least 3 autographs, and if I don't get a patch, I get 4 autographs. So let's hope for that patch. So it's my third time opening up this product. I opened up one previously on my channel over the summer, so let's get opening. If I do see a patch, I'm going to save that for the end, obviously. My first autograph, it's not a bad one. A Color Contenders signatures of Slava Voinov, number to 800. It's not a bad one. So Luke Robitaille, Contender Legacies, out of 9.99. Try saving the auto for then. I forgot about that too. Okay, that is an autograph. So I'm gonna save that. Put it right there. I got this box for a great deal too on the Card World. Oh, that is my autograph too. I don't know if you guys saw that, but those are my 2 autographs. So I don't think we're gonna get a patch, which really sucks, but hopefully those 2 are good. Color Contenders of Mark Kadick out of 9.99. Sorry about that. So if I have 3 autos, probably gonna get 1 more. Cup Contenders of John Tavares. Focus. Out of 9.99. So 2 packs remaining before I show you the 2 autos that are sitting right there. Okay, that is my 3rd autograph. I mean my 4th one, because I showed you my first one already. All base. So I'm going to start off with this one. Not sure what way the auto, okay. Not bad. Color Contenders auto of Louis LeBlanc out of 800. It's 2 decent ones so far. Now on to these 2. So it is a Leaf. You guys probably saw that. Joe Colborn, Calder Contenders signatures out of 800 again. So, he used to be on the Leafs. He got traded to the Flames. Now to the last one. It is an NHL ink. Hopefully it's a good one. Erik Gustafsson, NHL ink. So, let me just do a quick recap here. Erik Gustafsson, Joe Colborn, Louis LeBlanc, and Slava Voinov. So, thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for my last box, the Mega Monster. Well, the best box I'm breaking with you guys at 13-14 Select.